salvagers there right now?
I don't know.
I think we need to find a place to park.
Yeah. A bunch of cars.
Yeah.
It's another cute little house. Look at that. I'm
I think we could literally park right here.
Yeah. I want to walk.
I don't wanna walk. Oh yeah, he did strip off some of the intricate stuff. I think I'm gonna park away because I don't want the guy to come back out and be like, what are you doing? You know what I'm saying? Yeah, they took the decorative stuff here. But I mean, look at the house across the street. Well, I know, but they need work. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm gonna...
Too bad. Looks like there's a carriage house back there. Oh, there is like already a lift over there. Wow. I'm gonna video. I'm on the sidewalk, so I can do what I want, but look at that porch. It's crazy. That's crazy. Yeah, because I know the tornado, and there was like a what do you call it? Derecho that came through here. Yeah, this is the Willard Mansion. I just wanted to take some pictures of it before it's gone. Yeah, there's some windows or doors or whatever the heck that was over there that are missing. And I mean, they're taking off like the decorative things up there and stuff.
That's a big...
So is that all they were taking off that house?
What is this?